Figured I'd make a video of this. The pressure has gotten so low that you can actually feel your ears pop. It's below 25 or 28 inches of mercury, which they don't use that scale anymore. It's just below 950 millibars. That's the lowest I've ever seen a barometer go. That is insane. You can see the needle on the top was where it was when the storm was out past North Carolina. That was Saturday morning, I guess. And you can see the change. It was awesome. Trying to shelter the camera from the rain and wind, but at least 40-mile-an-hour rain gusts right now, or wind gusts. All these birds out here. Yeah, isn't it?